Hey, beautiful, and welcome. I want you to take a breath right now because you just did something for yourself. You invested in you. Now, I don't want you to rush past that. I'm Coach Jamila, and I am so glad that you are here. I created this kit for a very specific woman. She's driven, she's capable, she takes care of everyone else around her. She knows what healthy living looks like. She's read the books. She's followed the plans. She's tried to wake up earlier or work out later, eat better, drink more water, showing up consistently. But guess what? She's exhausting. I'm not just talking about physically exhausted. I'm talking about exhausted from trying all the things. Maybe that's you, Queen. Maybe you've been frustrated because you're doing everything right and your body still isn't responding the way you want it to. Maybe you sat in a doctor's office and walked out feeling even more dismissed than when you walked in. Maybe you've even thought to yourself, I know what I need to do, but I just don't feel like it. I'm too tired and I don't even know where to start. Listen, I want you to hear this clearly. Most of us don't have a problem tuning in to what our body is telling us. Your body and your nervous system is actually doing exactly what it's designed to do under the conditions it's been living in. That is what this kit is going to help you understand. Here's what I have found most wellness experts get wrong. Your symptoms are treated as separate problems. Fatigue over here, weight gain over here, anxiety in this bucket, sleep issues somewhere else. But what I do know and what you're about to discover is that for so many high-achieving women, especially those in midlife, these symptoms share a root cause. Your nervous system is exhausted. Your body has been in survival mode for so long that it doesn't know how to shift into healing mode. There is no amount of early morning workouts or meal plans that will fix that until your body finally feels safe enough to respond differently. So that's what we're going to work on together inside this kit. So here's how I want you to get started. The very first thing I want you to do right now, before anything else, is open the root cause clarity assessment. It's going to take you about 10 to 15 minutes. And by the end of it, you're going to have something that many women never get from their doctor. Real clarity about what's actually going on in your body and why. From there, everything else in this kit will make complete sense. So tonight, I want you to try the evening wind down sequence inside your daily rhythm template. It's simple, it's gentle, and it's going to start sending your nervous system a message it may not have received in a long time. You are safe. You can rest. I am so honored to be a part of this journey with you, this journey back to yourself, not a new version of yourself, a version of you that exists when your body isn't in constant fight or flight, the version that has energy, that feels like herself again, that moves through her day with a little more ease and a little less chaos. She's still in there. And we're just going to help her feel safe enough to come back. Okay, so let's get started. Open up your assessment. Make yourself a cup of tea. Find a quiet corner and give yourself these 15 minutes. You deserve this. I'll see you on the other side.